It doesn't matter if she comes to see me or not. It makes no difference whether they leave now. It doesn't make any difference if he did that. It doesn't make any difference if she gets to come or not. It makes no difference why he'd like to meet her. It doesn't matter what he tries to do about it. It didn't matter if she got there on the 6th of June. It makes no difference if he ended up going to meet her there or not. Does it make any difference whether she knows he isn't there or not? Will it matter if they tell her not to buy it? Didn't it matter if he'd rather do it some other time? It doesn't make any difference when he gets her to work. Didn't it matter where he began putting it together? It makes no difference what she says about her boss. Doesn't it make any difference if it is really expensive or not? It made no difference whether he lied to her or not. Did it make any difference how he found out about her? It doesn't make any difference when she plans on arriving there. Does it make any difference whether she is against it? Did she tell you it makes no difference where he decides to live? What difference does it make if she isn't able to get there or not? Did it make any difference where he plans on bringing them to dinner? It didn't matter how much money he paid for it.